Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing some products that were sent to me by Nature's Protein. This is not a sponsored video and they are not paying me for this review. It is just my honest review and feedback about the products. The products that they sent me are from their Coconut Restore line. They sent me their Cream Conditioner Cleanser, Curl Moisture Cream, Curl Mousse, and their Texture and Volume Spray. Okay, so the first product that I used was, of course, their Cream Conditioner Cleanser. So I used this in the shower as a co-wash, and the first thing I noticed was the smell. It smells really good. Another thing I noticed was the slip. I am heavy-handed with my hair products, but I like to use products that have a lot of slip so it's easier for me to finger detangle my hair. And I didn't have to use a brush or a wide tooth comb at all. I was able to finger detangle my hair easily just using the conditioning cleanser. That's a plus for me, and it's something that I'll definitely use again. I felt like it left my hair really soft and it felt clean, but it didn't feel dry. So for my wash and go, I went ahead and used their Triple Butter Curl Moisture Cream, which was kind of thick consistency. It smelled good as well. I did use quite a bit, but that's just the way that I am. Like I said, I'm heavy-handed with the products that I put in my hair. I like the way that it defined my curls and it was really easy to apply throughout my hair, so I have no complaints about it. The next product I used to seal up all that moisture that I had just put in my hair was the Curl Mousse. And I didn't have to use a lot. I just kind of used it on the end, scrunched it throughout my hair and distributed it that way. I really love how putting that final touch sealed in my hair cuticles, and I really felt like my hair was very moisturized. The next day, the final product that I used from them was their Texture and Volume Spray, and I used that to refresh my curls. And I feel like it did a really good job without putting too much product in my hair, because I'm the type of person that likes my wash and go to last me at least a week. So definitely using the Texture and Volume Spray. It's not heavy and I'm not going to get all this product buildup throughout the week. So it was really light and my curls still look great. I'm currently on day 3 hair, and as you can see, my curls are still really defined, and I can just tell that this wash and go is gonna last me until the end of my week for my next wash day. Overall, my first impression and my review on these products, it's perfect. Like, my hair still feels moisturized, and that's important for me. Would I purchase these products for myself? Yes, because one, they're affordable. Second, they actually work for my hair. And of course, keep in mind, everybody's hair is different depending on your hair pattern, your curl pattern, your hair texture, your hair porosity, all that good stuff. I will definitely be purchasing these products with my own money. Another thing, I got a lot of compliments on how amazing my hair smelled. So that's always a plus. You want your hair to smell good. You don't want it to be stank and crusty, and you just want it to smell good. So this concludes my review and my first impression on Nature's Protein Coconut Restore line. I love it. I will be buying it again. I will be using it again. And I hope that you would like to give it a try. Of course, I will link everything below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.